Hello and welcome, dear students. Thank you very much for joining me in today's this 5 minutes creative class. My name is Hameed Asghar, and on behalf of Institute of Freelancing, I welcome you all. In our previous lectures, we discussed about the basic tools of CorelDraw, and today onward, we are going to start our creative classes with the help of these tools which we learned in our previous lectures. So if you haven't gone through those lectures, I would strongly recommend that let's go through those starting from introductory lectures to step by step the tools section, so that you should be able to understand what exactly which tool is applied for any kind of creative things. And today we are starting with a floral logo in CorelDRAW, and eventually we will be reaching to almost to this design which you can see right now in front of your screen. So let's start creating fun. So in this case, what we will do is that we will start creating first the shapes. With the help of different shapes, we will create the initial thing first. So that's it. I mean, that's what the whole intention was, to give you an idea that how can very easily you can start creating your floral logos, and you can start creating your creative things and your portfolios. So thank you very much, dear students, for joining me in today's session. Hope to speak to you soon. Another 5 minutes creative class, and in which we will be creating multiple things, logos, and there are so many creative things which are in fact coming on your way. So stay tuned. If you have subscribed to the channel, very well done. And if you haven't subscribed, I would request you to please subscribe, so that the next video will be directly reached to you within no times. So up till then, take care and hope to speak to you soon. Bye then, take care, bye bye.